What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an all-new ride and review for you today. I am running over to a new pizza place in Greenpoint. It's called Diamond Slice. Saw some photos online. It looks amazing. Looks like my kind of style pizza. And I also, we rode by it last week when I was with Kelvin and London James over in Greenpoint. We had some coffee. We're just riding around, and it looked great. So I'm excited to try it. I've been psyched. It's I have the day off, and I figured I would run over and give it a shot for lunch. So as you can see, I've also got my new helmet on. I just did an unboxing of this baby, and this is the first time I'm trying it. So far, so good. It's your basic Bell bicycle helmet. Perfect for the warmer weather with the open ear. Good audio awareness. Audio awareness. I guess that's what I was trying to say. Obviously, I picked yellow. It's one of the new colors they got for this model. It's called the Local. And speaking of local, we are going very slow because of traffic in the middle of the land sea. I'm working my way over to the Williamsburg Bridge here, bike path. Just gonna cruise over. This place is on the corner of Diamond and Nassau, just above McCarran Park over in Brooklyn. So it's not a far ride, but I might have a little bit of silence while we ride, so I'll probably edit that out if I'm riding and I got nothing to babble about. Oftentimes, I do have something to babble about. There's not that much going on right now, though, so let's see. I got the walk? Yeah, I got it. Onyx going by right there. Alright, we're on the way. So I've got a few more changes to do to the Zeus bike before it's officially completed. Carlos and Diego are powder coating the little bolt, compression bolt cap for the cranks. I have a temporary one in right now so that I don't lose my cranks again, and I have some vinyl electrical tape on it that I cut out nice and neat, yellow, so that it looks like the way it will look when I get the final piece from Arcane Moto. And they're also going to do a chain ring for me, so I'm going to swap out the current chain ring, and it'll look really cool from the non-drive side. I'm excited for that. It'll be very unique. Nobody else will have something like that on their bike. And I also ordered a new chain from KMC. The one that's on here is fine. It's also from KMC. But the one that I selected has a little bit of black accent in it. So it looks extra cool. And it's the same kind I had on my old Zeus, my old 1100. I just love it. So I'm going to throw that back on there as well. Crossing the Williamsburg here, a little bit bumpy. There's a lot of patchy paving here. Not ideal. Not ideal for narrating while you ride, because all the bumps make my voice shake. And the camera shake, obviously. Not quite as stable as when I have the chin mount on. Coming up to the peak here. Be on the downhill right now. Now just coast, take it easy. There's a couple of really cool spots over here I might also, if I have time and if I'm still hungry, I might also run by Taqueria Ramirez. If you've watched my channel before, you might have seen when I did a Bang Bang of Dominican food and tacos. And I did Carnitas Ramirez. That's their second taco joint. It's a great spot. Taqueria Ramirez is first. That's their first one. Very popular place. Sometimes they get big lines, but I will, if I have the stomach space and the time, I will try to run by there. So I've been meaning to try the original. If you don't know what the difference really is between those two spots, Carnitas is really pork focused. It is about the different parts of the pig. Basically every part you can think of. From snout to switch, all that. So that I really love that stuff, especially when it's done right, which is what they do there. So I'm excited to see how they handle the regular staples like the al pastor and things like that. All right, here we go. A little construction on the bridge there, slowing things down a bit, clogging it up. It's a nice day. It's low 60s. We are pretty much officially in spring in terms of how the weather is. I'm digging it. Let's see if I can get in front of this Escalade here. Yep, good. So now we're into Williamsburg here. I'm gonna take this left. And I think I'm gonna take a right on Berry Street. Berry Street is oftentimes closed down to vehicle traffic. So it's just bikes, runners, pedestrians. And that turns into Nassau. So it's perfect for going where I gotta go. See, we got a gas moped here in front of us. Get around that son of a bitch. I was gonna start the video from right here and make it really short, but you know, I had a couple things I could blab about, so that worked out. This helmet is cool. I don't love the way it looks sitting on my head. I feel like it looks a little bit like a mushroom top, but that's really because I have a small head. This is a size small. All my helmets are size small, really, except for the one from the Beam, which is a medium, because those do run small. The European-made helmet runs a little bit smaller than a lot of our big fathead US helmets. But this one it's comfortable. It feels good. It's got the little dial, the click dial on the back to cinch it down if you need to tighten it. But mine is right now at the most open because I'm at like the upper end of a size small. I mean, it's cool. I like it. I think I like the one that covers the ears better, the other Bell helmet, the Racket. The Racket is the name of the model. What is this woman doing? This is not a road for cars. Unbelievable. Anyway, yeah, I was talking helmets. So I think I like the Racket better, but the local is cool. And I dig it. It's nice for the summer, like I said. Keeps you cool. You don't have that side of the head sweat. Just going up here, cruising up Berry, just crossed North 4th. This is a nice road to ride on. I got a little bit of a squeal in my brakes. I must have gotten something on it, on the pads. I think it's the front brake that's squealing. I'll have to give it a little wipe later. Might be a little bit of grease on the pad or something. A little harmonic. All right, we've reached the end of Williamsburg, the corner of McCarran Park here, and I am about to get into Greenpoint. See the Vital climbing gym ahead. I recently joined a climbing gym, one in the Lower East Side, same company. It's very cool. I am a slow learner, but I'm getting there. It is a lot of fun. People ask me what difficulty level I'm at. I have no idea. They have some weird color-coded system where they don't have the V scale. It is just color-coded. I am on the 3rd color from the bottom, which is orange. It goes green, yellow, orange. And then after that is red. I have not been able to do a red yet. I'm doing oranges for a good month and a half, 2 months. All right, now I'm on Nassau, so I'm just taking this up to Diamond. Run through some lights. Yeah, Diamond Slice is on Diamond Street. Makes sense. Just a few more streets to go here in Greenpoint. Nice and calm right now. No crazy noises, not very busy on the streets. A little bit of traffic, but I guess that's to be expected. But yeah, it's quiet. It's quiet. Quiet in the daytime. Just crossed over McGinnis. And we got one more street to go, I think. Gotta commit, brother. Gotta commit. Yep, here it is. Diamond Street. Diamond Slice. Here we go. And I will see you on the inside. All right, Diamond Slice. That was really good. I did 2 slices because I am going to try to get a taco or 2. I did 2 slices. I did their regular and I did their spicy pepperoni slice, hot honey. And man, that was really good. Very much enjoyed both of those slices. Crispy, thin, packed with flavor, nicely made. Yeah, big fan of this place. We'll definitely come back. I want to try a couple other slices. There's 2 other slices I want to try. Tomato garlic, and they had a vodka margarita that looked incredible. I am trying to catch my bearings right now. Don't exactly know where I need to go. Let's see, Franklin. I need to go to Franklin. I think I got to turn right up ahead. It's annoying. This traffic is annoying. All right. Let's see here. I think I need to turn right. I know it's on Franklin Street. Yeah. This is Bedford here. I think I gotta go left on Franklin too. So, yeah, I mean, Diamond Slice, fantastic. I gotta go back, gotta try those other 2 slices. The 2 that I had were great, just a classic slice, man. Right up there in the top 5, I would say, for me. Really good, up there with La Industry. You know, slice joints, not full pie joints. The full pie joints, I kind of like Razza in Jersey City. I kind of put them in a different category, if you will, I guess. These streets are a little bit insane right now. Cars are just on the wrong side of the road. Let's see, I think I gotta actually turn here on Messerol. Let's see. Lorimer. I'm not quite as familiar with the grid up here. I did have my GPS going, but I guess the volume's not up. I can't hear it. I might have to pull out the phone and check. Let's see, what do we got here? Clifford. Well, I'm getting down to the waterfront, so. Daubin. Oh, maybe it's a street up. Maybe it's Franklin is up. I'm going the wrong way here. This guy's gonna be pissed. No, this is Cali. All right, I gotta pull out the phone because I'm an idiot. Let's see. Okay, I was real close. It's in the right area. All right, that guy's turning. Yeah, I think I just got to take a left here. Yeah, there's a cool spot over here. It reminds me of the West Village. It reminds me of Commerce Street, right here. This big turn on these little, this little sleepy street. These brownstones. It's a cool area. Oh, great. We got more shit in the road.
It is. We're just on that. Sorry. We're on that.
Yeah. Fuck out of the way. All right, here we go. Here it is. Not on Franklin Street. It's on Oak Street, the corner of Franklin. And there is no line. I'll see you on the inside. Man, as suspected, that it was the best, the absolute best al pastor taco I've ever had. The other one I had was tripe. It was a little bit small, a little bit short on the toppings as well. But the pastor made up for it very easily because there was a lot of meat on it, little crisp skin on there, a delicious grilled pineapple. I mean, man, what a treat that was. The other taco that I had was a tripe, and that was it was very much like, tasted like foie gras. It was buttery, rich, and another thing I gotta say, the tacos came out in like 10 seconds. I didn't even have time to like set up my camera and wait for the order to come out. It was just like they called my name and there it was. It was crazy. So yeah, both of these places, I mean, this turned out to be a bang bang ride and review. Tacos and pizza, Greenpoint. I mean, check them out. Jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review, the full write-up, everything, all the pictures, all the details. And as always, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.